Hello dear students, I am Prabhat Dubey, your English teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, and today we are here just to discuss the summer vacation homework. I think the questions are clear to you all, and if anyone is having any problem, we will discuss each question, in what framework the answer is to be written, and how you need to prepare the oral questions where no written work is required. I think the PDF is with all of you. So we are starting the discussion. First, the oral work. Question number 1 in this section is learn book exercise and question answer of chapter 1, 2 and 3. You need to prepare the question answer, meaning, fill in the blanks of your literature, chapter 1, 2 and 3. Second question is learn the definition of sentence. This chapter has been taught to you in your grammar section. So question number 2 and 3 is from grammar section. You have to memorize, you have to learn the definition of sentence, its kind, and definition of all parts of sentences, subject, predicate, what type of words are used in the predicate section, how the subject is recognized. All these things will be asked in this. Learn the definition of third question. Learn the definition of noun, number, gender and their kinds. This is chapter number 2. So you have to learn all the definitions and how to identify any specific number, gender or noun. What type of nouns are there and how you will differentiate. Second question is from written work. The questions that are to be answered on your homework copy. You have to prepare a separate copy for your homework. Written first question, write all the learning book exercise question and answer on the SVHW. SVHW is summer vacation homework in short. So you have to write all the question answer and all the exercises of grammar. Question number 2, write hard words of chapter 1, 2 and 3 in SVHW copy. As I told you in the earlier classes that you need to prepare a list of the hard words that you encounter in your chapters, grammar or any communication. So here you have to focus on the words that are not comprehensible to you from the chapters of your literature and grammar. So mention all the words, try to find out the meaning and write on that. Next is activity from the third section. Write about the person who is your ideal. That person may be your family member, a school teacher or a public figure. Such type of questions have been given to you in your homework while we were discussing the chapter The Untrained Mathematician about S. Ramanujam. I told you to write a short essay on any scientist whom you admire the most. So in the same manner, you have to identify the person from your personal life, your school life or any public life. Any person who keeps you motivated, whom you try to idealize always, from whom you learn several things. So you have to first identify who that person is in your life. That person may be your parents, your teachers, any renowned personalities from sports or freedom fighters. So you have to answer that question on your own. And last one is project work. In this section, the question is draw a figure of self-driving car or human robots on chart paper and write a brief note about it. As in the section of your literature unit 2 and section 1, different chapters were there from science background. First chapter first and chapter second as well. In chapter second we were discussing about the life of the great mathematician S. Ramanujam, and chapter 1 was about the scientific discoveries and inventions that are impacting human life and providing us different types of facilities and ease in our daily work. So you have to write about the self-driving car or human robots on a chart paper. You have to make a diagram of any single driving car or human robots, and you have to write a brief note about it. So use the half chart paper for making the figure or 3/4, and in the 1/4 or 1/2 you have to write the specific qualities, any introduction, any specific data that you require to share about that. So first prepare for that, then make a diagram and enlist all the information, all the qualities that you want to add in that. Last one is self research homework. This is the 5th. Here you have to put your creativity. Self search homework. In this section, 3 questions are there. Here numbering is not proper. So first one is just informing you about the question. Collect the information about the following. So question second is question 1. Here name of the 3 authors is given. Venkat Shyam S. Anand, author of Finding My Way. You have to find out some information about Venkat Shyam S. Anand and give a brief introduction of this writer, what was his contribution to English literature and what was his style of teaching, how he helped students and kept them motivated for their studies, and how he imbibed the concept of nature for motivating students. Second one is Mukta Munjal, author of Battling Boats. Mukta Munjal is the author of Battling Boats, in which we discussed about the bravery of 2 young boys during the boat race in Kerala that is held in Onam festival. So you have to write about that author. So try to find out whatever information you can obtain about these writers from Google, from your book, or with the help of your parents, students of your class. Take help from any other source and write about these writers. Last one is Walter de la Mare, composer of poem Bruegel's Winter. In this chapter we learn about the impact of winter on human life in European countries, where temperature is very low and snowfall is very impacting human life very adversely. So these 3 letters are there. You have to write the information that you obtain from any other source. So I think all these things are clear to you. Complete your homework within the prescribed time as shared by Principal Sir in your WhatsApp group. If you are having any problem, then you can get back to me. Okay, so best of luck to you all. Do hard work. Don't spoil this period of your summer vacation. You need to put sincere efforts, complete all the summer vacation homework, and also prepare all the lessons that have been taught to you, because you have to prepare for the first test that is coming your way when the school opens. Okay, thanks.